Hello friends, welcome you all once again in lecture series Machining Science and Machine Tool. Amit Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Suraj Kanviar University, Jaipur. Today is the 27th lecture of the series and the topic of the today's lecture is Machining Tool and Method of Generating Surface. Let's start. The objective of today's lecture is to understand the classification of the various machine tools used in manufacturing industries. Second is find the difference between generating and forming of surfaces. Third one is learning various methods used to generate different types of surfaces. At the end of this lecture, students will be able to understand tools are classified into different types based on their applications as a general purpose, production, and special purpose machine tool. Second is the part geometry can either be generated or formed. Third one is depending upon the surface, a large number of different motion are used based on the type of tool is operation. So what is the machine tool? So first of all, to understand the geometry or what is the terms used for the machine tool, indicate that is defined as one which while to understand the holding the cutting tool will be able to remove metal from a workpiece in order to generate the requested product of the given size. Configuration and finishes. So it is different from a machine which essentially is a meaning of converting the source of power from one form to another. The machine tool are the mother machine since without them no component could be produced in their finished form. So they are very old and the industrial revolution owes its successes to a very generate extent to them. The machine tool is required to provide proper support to the workpiece and cutting tool as well as to provide the motion to one or both of them. So in order to generating the required shape of the workpiece, the form generating depends upon the type of the machine tool. So basically what we say, we have to understand that the machine tool is defined basically the we can say the holding the cutting tools in the chuck and workpiece we have to use for the completing to convert as workpiece into the job. That means therefore remove the workpiece from the machine tool. So machine tool is basically used for the removing the material from the workpiece and in order to generate the reconstructed product of size and what type of required to generate the form and the finishing. So it is just to be understand that the mechanism adapted for removal of material by the help of the machine tool. There are the different types of machine tool are having the for finishing the workpiece. That is single point into multi-point cutting tool, and all the sole purpose is to produce in the other form finished which we help without no component could be considered. So we can say that without the machine tool we are not able to cut the workpiece, and for the cutting the workpiece you must be understand that the machine tool is very of sharp finishing we required and the good finishing we required for the machine tool as well as the material which has a more harder than the workpiece which is most required for them. So this machine tool is generated for used for to removing the material, but as you know that it is the different from of the machine which we are essentially used for that means of converting the source of power from the one form to the other. So this is all item which we are adopted for and we have to use for the no comfort use. So there are the very old industrial revolutions on successes to a very great extent to them. So a machine tool is required to provide the proper support to the workpiece and the cutting tool as well as the motion to one or both of them. So which is the main operation is more condition we require for that. So generating of the chip for removing the metal, we know that the generating of chip is the most important for we can have remove the material from the workpiece. So workpiece is basically used for the compressed and that compressed while is it a depth of cut with the help of the machine tool with the providing the different parameters. That means the spin test, fit attempt, depth of cut. So these all the parameters of a machine tool is the responsible to increasing the surface quality, or to decreasing the surface quality, or to increase the roughness, decrease the surface roughness, or affected by the different machining. Each and every machine have a different type of object. That is, first of all, I have an example that if you have the lathe machine, then the tool used for machine tool is a single point cutting tool. And if you use the machine tool that is, for example, that is a drilling machine, then you have to select for the single point cutting tool. So these all are the machine tool is defined. So which is the, we can say, which is the essentially it is a meaning of a convert the source of the power from one form to another. So this machine tool are monitoring that how much amount of material will remove depending upon the depth of cut and the fit that we have to given by the machine tool. So every industry have to manufacture the machine tool as per the design of machine tool by the geometry consideration, or by the specific parameter, that is the cutting speed rate, what type of cutting speed. For example, in the single point tool, the cutting edge of the machine tool is required to sharp, and with the help of this we easily to cut the material. But if for example, if we do not cut the material by increasing the depth of cut, it is very difficult to understand for cutting that. So which is required to more understand that easily from the one form to another, and without a machine tool, without a component is not be required. So these are the very old, and the industrial revolution also it is supposed to do very great accident for them. So the machine tool is required that we can provide the proper support to the work and piece and cutting tools, and the motion to one or the both of them. So with the help of this, we can set it some custom with some generated them depending upon the type of the machine tool, depending upon the, we can say, the machine tool are very are the type of the mother machines which are without them no component to like produce with them. So that's why we can say that it is very important to understand the geometry of the machine tool and the parameters of the machine tool, which is responsible to cut the material or to provide the fine finishing or good finishing to the surface. So it is which we are reducing them and having the geometry of the machine tool. So these all are the understanding the with the cutting tool has to be used for design. So removing the metal from the workpiece in order to generating the requesting product of the given site, so which is very useful for them. Now we can say that it is very easy to understand how it can be either fabricated. So the machine tool are the geometry machines, which we can say that yes, the components that is single point wants to be understand that the rectangle will be positive. That it is the rec angle positive required, because rec angle positive indicates that the machining is good and fine finish will be produced if the rec angle is positive and the larger the rec angle, because it will be cut the continuous chip also responsible for cutting that. So we can also say that if the workpiece material is very hard, then you have to select for the harder material than the workpiece with the selection of the machine tool. It is the most important to understand that factors we are essential. So we have to introduce that set type of parameter, that is generating the sequence product of given size and the configuration of the bar and the features, so which is required too much amount. And this is the motion of cutting tool, also depending upon the quality of the service we provided to the workpiece for designing or to giving the shape of proper amount. So this type of essential of a workpiece or converting the source of power from another form, which is required to then understand. This type of the old machining and industrial revolutions on its successes to a very great extent for them. So the machine tool is required to produce the proper supporting to the work and the process. It's a cutting tool for it. So that's why we can say that some line that is there are the very old and industrial revolutions on it is successive to very good, or we can say that accident to them. So that's why the machine tool. So that's why the machine tool is to be required to provide the proper support to the piece and the cutting tool, as well as to provide motion to one or the both of them. So in order to generating required shape of the piece, that is to form the generating depending upon the type of the machine tool, which is the either we use for that. So it is the type of a machine tool where we have to get an idea about this such type of. Another one is a method of generating the surface. Method of generating the surface, which means that a large number of surface could be generated or formed, or as the case may be, with the help of the motions given to the tool and the workpiece. So that's why we can say that a large number of surfaces could be generated or formed, as the case may be with the help of motions given to the tool and workpieces. So that's why the shape of the tool also make a very important contribution to the final surface obtained. So which is the responsible motion in machine tool. The primary motion given to the workpiece or cutting tool constitute the cutting speed, which causes a relative motion between the tool and the workpiece, such as the face of the cutting tool approaches the material to be removed. So we said that usually the primary zone, that is the common most of the cutting power, or the secondary motion in which the feet the tool relatively past the workpiece. And the combination of the primary and the secondary motion is responsible for the generation of the specific surfaces, the detail of which are discussed below. Sometimes there will be the literally movement in between the cuts for specific surfaces. And we have to understand that the primary given to the workpiece and pieces of the cutting tool and constitution, the cutting speed, we can say that we give a relative motion. So that's why the relative motion between the workpiece and the tool is such a part of phasing the material. So that's why we can say a large number of surfaces could be greater than. Matter of generating surface, that means the surface quality, if increasing the cutting speed and with the respect to the feed rate, then the surface quality will be increasing. But if we, for example, that if we are increasing the depth of cut and increasing the feed rate and increasing the cutting speed, that is more compressive stress generating on the cutting edge. That's why we reducing the, that's why we damaging the piece surface. And it is not required because we have to understand during the machining time, the feed rate or the cutting speed is the main role play to giving the qualities by surface generating. But sometimes it will be happen that we require to increase in the depth of cut. But due to this, we have to find out some surfaces are made up of very clean and some are the roughness surfaces. So which is to be either the fine metal will be produced. So that time we can say the cutting tool approaches. Cutting tool approaches the material to be removed, which is to be identified. That is usually the primary motion consumed. By there are two type of motion we have to consider for the machine tool. The two type of machine tools, that is first the primary motion given to the workpiece. For cutting tool constitution, the cutting speed which causes a relative motion between the tool and the workpiece, and that the size of the cutting tool approaches the material to be removed. And for the usually the primary motion consumes most of the cutting power. The secondary motion in which the feed the tool relatively past the workpiece. And the combination of the primary and the secondary is responsible for generating on specific surface. That's why we consider detail of which are discussed below. So sometimes there will be the trajectory movement in between the cuts for the specific surfaces, and we require for that. So basically we can say a large number of the surfaces will be generated, as the case may be with help of the motion given to the tool and the workpiece. So the shape of the tool also make a very important contributor to the final surface obtained. That's why we can say the method of generating surface are divided into parts. Each and every workpiece have to be considered first of all. What is the surface of the workpiece? Then surface quality of the, we can say the machine tool. Machine tool will give the parameter, what type of parameter we are giving for depending upon the operation of performer type of shape cut. That time what type of generated we have to generate the cheap for the we can be ductile material selecting. So the surface is also smoothly produced, but sometimes the roughness may be possible in the ductile material. In case we are using the brittle material, then it has been observed that in the brittle material provide the good surface finishing other than the ductile material. So the ductile material, which is most useful and very helpful to giving the continuous chip formation, but having the disadvantage that means it will provide the surface roughness very more in compared to the brittle metal. But brittle metal having advantages and disadvantages both are equal. Because for example, if you are using the brittle material for the cutting purpose, and we find that the brittle material will crack easily by applying the more load existing and have not capability to understand bearing. So, but the smoothness will be providing as compared to the ductile metal very smoothly and with good finishing will be required. So these are the some combination. That is certain combination. Sometimes the primary, sometimes the secondary motion is responsible for the generating of the specific surfaces. That's why we are saying that most of the time the feed rate will be increasing because by due to the feed rate, the material removal rate will be increasing and it easily to provide the good surface finishing. But if you increase the depth of cut with respect to increasing the feed rate, so it may be chances or it may be some breakage or damages are occur in the surface of the workpiece. So these all other problems are comes under the category in the workpiece. So that's why we can set the primary motion or give the workpiece or the cutting tool to be constituted the cutting speed, which is the cause a relative motion between the tool. So that's why we can say the face of the cutting tool and approaches the material to be removed. So we have to select it for that. The combination of primary and secondary motion is responsible for the generating the specific surfaces. So the detail of which are discussed below, we can say that is a good arbitrary movement in the between the cut of for the geometrically specific surfaces is to be understood very well. Another that is the classification of a machine tools, that is a single point cutting tool. If you observe this in diagram, that is layout. What is single point cutting tool? That is having a single cutting edge, as called single point cutting tool, and it is will divided into two parts. That is the surface of revolution, that is the job rotating. Another one is the plane surfaces. So the first is the surface of revolution, second is the plane surface. So this are divided into several parts. That means the surface of revolution that we can say also the job for rotating and divided into classified two parts. That is firstly feet parallel to the axis of rotation, cylindrical surface. Second is the external turning screw and internal boring, internal screw surface cutting. Or the feed rate not parallel to, if you're not parallel, then another condition is occurred if some parallel having the two parallel external. But if sometimes it will that if no feed rate parallel to axis of rotation, it will divide it into several two part, that is at any angle, that means conical, or another one is a simultaneously two axis motion countering turning. So that's why the angle at any, that means the external or internal boring having planning. So that time the plan surfaces having the tool reciprocating or the job reciprocating planning and the plane of plane surface. So the single point cutting tool consists of the two surface basically, surface of revolution and the plans or surfacing. So that's why we can say that the number of surfaces we provided by the surface of revolution, because it has in the during the job rotating. The job rotating is easy to cut. Plane surface it is very difficult to that because it has the tool have rotating, but this is the type of not providing the good surface quality, because the tool will be stationary and the job workpiece will be cut to the rotation and it is to cut the material by giving the feed rate. So that time we have to generally popular for the surface of revolution by the job rotating surface will be required for such time. And having the quality will be increasing by feed parallel to the axis of rotation. That is feed rate will be providing by the axis of rotation of the workpiece. It is easiest way to identify the easiest way to supply other type of material, removal rate increasing and having the quality will be produced. So that time we can sort of provide feed rate, and the second part, that is not feed rate we provide parallel. Do not provide the parallel, means indicate having the sufficient amount of material cut in the certain angle. But not providing the feed rate parallel, there are two conditions occur. That's why we can say that it is very popular for processing of the surface of revolution, that is job rotating process. Second one is the feed parallel to the axis of rotation. It indicates the external or internal threaded process. So the external, if we can say any of the angle or simultaneously, that means the That means the true accessing motion of the countering temp. So with the intimidating effect, with the material having the good quality, with the material having the external or internal surface structure, which will be producing the metamorph. So simultaneously to accessing motion of the countering of the copy of the right, and we have to configure them in the material to be understand, which we are providing the, we can say that the field feed parallel to the accessing of the rotational surface. External and internal type, that means we can say that the machining have a fine finishing, machining have a good surface quality, or single we can say the surfacing of the revolution of plane surface will be provided. So that's why we can say the surface of revolution. The surface of revolution we have to provide for feed rate. And experts, you can say that some cutting angle, we have to provide some cutting angle and external taper. Externally, we have to use the, for internally boring, internally taper turning. We are providing for finding the fish face cutting, while the easily to surface quality will be increasing. So that time we will to understand all these type of factors which are showing in the chart, that is related to the single point cutting tool, because it having the quality of good fine finishing surface will be producing product. So these are some examples. These are the rotation of single point cutting tool are having. Another one is a multi-point cutting tool. Same for the single point tool, that is a multi-point cutting tool are having. That is, you have to select it for the cylindrical surface. Cylindrical surface and the plane surface. Cylindrical surface, that means the material selected have a geometry of cylindrical, and there's another plane surface used for the multi-point cutting rather than using of another type of tool. So very popular term, that cylindrical surface, that means the 2-edge cutting drilling, and second one is the multi-edge cutting drilling. And the multi-edge gear opening, another small chip grinding, cylindrical grinding, and centralized grinding. So these all are the some multi-edge cutting which we are using for that. So we can say that is a cutting edges, cutting surfaces, or multi-point tools having this type of flat wheel reduce, and cylindrical is a multi-edge cutting tool. So that we can say that the plane surfaces are. Chip, that is a milling, broaching, gear, shaping, and face milling. Second one is small chip grinding and face grinding. We need to observe. So that's why the multi-point cutting tool having the different structure rather than the So the cylindrical surface, if we are saying, that is a two edges cutting drilling and a multi-edge drilling, or we can say the sizable chip for the milling cutting, and for gear hopping we are making the gear, for the span milling. For that we are selecting the multi-edge cutting tool, and for the small chip production and cylindrical grinding, cylindrless grinding, we have to use for the SAP for selecting of the multi-edge cutting, which is all responsible for the quality provider surface finishing. Second one, that is a planning surface. Planning surface, that is simply we can remove material from the side. That is for milling operative boring, gear shaping, face milling. These all are the type of operations we are using the plane surfaces here. And also the small chip product grinding and grinding surface grinding. Surface grinding, that means small amount of a chip will be generating, and if we are performing this operation on the multi-point cutting tool with the help of this tool, we are having the different type of operation are producing. So the surfaces we are having the two cutting edges and two multi. That's why we have to get quality of a cell will be reduced. That is another one. That is the plane generating. Is this diagram just show under that how plane surface generating and the shaping we are generated. For example, that plane surface can be generated when the job or tool reciprocate the primary motion as shown in figure without any rotation. The tool have not tool generally as a because the tool is not rotating. Tool is not rotating the primary motion without any rotation. That means the tool are not rotating. Only the workpiece will be rotated on the axis of we can say that the fixed in the chuck and continuous rotation and the speed. And we use only the feed rate for the finishing of the pressing operation. That for you can see here. A feed rate direction is from 1 here to here. So you can see these are the feed direction for generating surface and the feed motion, that is feed rate here from this side. So these are the some section which we observe, which we are generating the surface or here for making finishing surface or plane surfaces. The plane surface may be generated in the job or tool reciprocates the primary motion as shown in figure without any rotation. So that's why we can say there's some type of generating, having the material, good type of finishing we are having. So all these factors we are generated, and we have to consider the such points. We have to consider such point with the help of you can see here to remove the material, but how much quantity of material will be removed depending upon the depth of cut we provided for the machine. So with increasing the depth of cut means increasing the feed rate or increasing the surface quality of it. That's why we consider generating the feed rate, generating the motion of work that is continuously with a high speed or moderate speed or medium speed. The tool will be just striking on them and to remove the material. That is, remove the material. That means the circle will be removed. Material will be removed by the surface quality by increasing the feed rate. So generating surface or geometrical feature that we can set as a introduction or the secondary surfaces are to produce, and having the quality of material. That's why we say that generating the surface of secondary motion is also the part of providing the plane surfaces. So plane surface is of an object basically. What is the object? That is to create a good surface or finishing surface will be provided by the help of by the mechanism for surface quality increasing with the machine tool. Or what type of parameter we are giving by which the surface quality will be improved. So we are having the option that is generating the high speed or of the feed rate will be provided. By increasing the feed rate, we have to use the motion. By increasing the depth of cut, we reduce the quality of workpiece, and increasing the mode of the surface, which is not required, which is unwanted or not required for the quick machinability. Because the plane surface provided generated on the tool only on by the stationary motion of the tool, and we are just striking on the surface of the workpiece with respectively. Tool will be removed smoothly and will be increasing the speed of the tool feed rate. That's why we can improving the rate of material removal rate by. So these are the some primary section or primary motion. With the help of this, we have to use for that. Now generating the motion, now generating the electric, we can say some the mechanism we use is the main important criteria. It's selecting the machine tool. So generating the surface that we can say the plane surfaces or generating when the job is required. So to reciprocate the primary motion but without any rotation. High amount of tool, we have to generating the good surface finishing and observe material that is remove the surface quality which will be affected by the tool cutting parameter. Now this basically is a function. Why I am saying to you this diagrams indicate. If you are using this type of feeder, you can see these are the feed rate function. You can provide the feed rate from this direction, right to left direction, and the material will be removed. And these are indicate this small section that is indicate the feed rate, and then you can see these are the primary motion of the workpiece. So workpiece will be removed with the amount of increasing the cutting quality or surface will be increasing. If you can identify that the surface will be increasing the ductile material, then you have to observe the surface toughness. You can calculate it how much and compare to the brittle material, and then we are using this type of material for the particular operation. So this type of operation we have to perform by rotating any object on the object fixed by them. and instead of workpiece and high speed, tool will continuously remove the material from the surface and it will be providing that the material having the good quality. So that's how we can say is having the good machinability, good condition we have producing. In the second diagram that you can show here, that is the generating a conical surface by a single point cutting tool or generating a counter surface by a single point cutting tool. These are the two operations basically based on the generating surface or with the different conical surfaces. First diagram shows that here on the left hand side it shows that the diagram that indicate the conical shape will be generated by the single point cutting tool. In the right hand side diagram, that is the diagram show that the counter shape surface will be produced by the single point cutting tool. So these are the reason. These are basic reason why single point cutting tool is the most popular generating the good surface quality, and you can find out. This is a generating surface. You can see here these are the diagram indicate these are generating surface from the taper section basically. So if you want to cut the workpiece that from taper section, you can increase in the feed rate secondary and increase in the surface quality of the surface chip. Chip will be produced continuously for high cutting speed. Another one is generating the surface. We have some taper or counter surface we have to generate it by the single point cutting tool, and each and every surface have a different cutting geometry and with the respective different roughness will be formed. So by increasing the good surface or by increasing the high surface roughness or by increasing the material having the good quality, which having the surface quality will be increasing or decreasing respectively depending totally upon the surface of generated for the of cutting. What type of surface will be generated is depending upon the quality and surface. Now the condition that is generating surface by the countering surface or by a single point that is cutting with the help of this we are providing some counter surfaces which is generally used for the pipeline or any collecting or making any tensile strength test specimen or such type of specimen will be prepared by the single point cutting tool if we have every dimension. So that's why we can say that this generator, this surface having the good quality. In the left diagram, that we can see very good quality because having the planning easily to cut. It has not difficult to having give the primary filter, secondary filter. We have to use the such type of diagram. It is a method of have to generate the single point cutting tool with the help of this, and also the making the counter surface by the single point cutting tool. So with respect to the both, we have to create the gender of conical surfaces by the single point cutting tool. Another one that is we can say as generating surfaces or by secondary motion, we have to choose a generating path. That is what type of required of material to providing a certain angle. That is the certain angle will be provided. That means the high speed steel tool be used for that and any other type of material. Because material properties are also dependent on by increasing the surface or not. So that's why we have to select the material type of material. For example, that spindle speed carbide tool or any other purpose of tool we have to use for that. We are having different objectives, different mechanism, different section we are providing, or having the more speed we have to given by the feed rate, which is shown perpendicular because this diagram are both operating by the single point, but the direction are different. You can see this diagram, this cutting tool, from like this cutting tool place slide. Both are different, but the tool are same. The operations are different, but the tool are same. So same tool will be used for the different number of operations performed on the surface. And how you can generate the surface by this giving the feed rate by the certain amount of speed in the cutting parameters. So by controlling the cutting parameter, you have to adjust for it. And material having the good quality. So we can say generating a conical surface by the single point cutting tool. or by the multi-point cutting tool having the different mechanism. So you have to understand that the generating of a conical surface by the single point cutting tool will be generated. So by this we have to an idea how we can generate or how we can method of generation of the surfaces is totally clear. Yes, it is a type of this type of operation you have to perform, and you should arrange the such of surfaces on the machine and mechanism. This is totally different. This is a totally different as the multi-point cutting tool, because multi-point cutting tool have a geometry different. That's why we use for the drilling, boring like this, slot cutting. But in case we have to understand that we have to provide from this type of special type of counter surface types, and then it's also possible only in a single point cutting tool adjusting matters. So that's why the second is the tool geometry, that is generating the surface. This generating the surface having quality will be providing and having the such material, having the such metal beams. These are the some factors which we are using, but we have to understand the material. Okay, so it is a very complicated, or it has not an easy task. Why it is very popular, but it has some standardization to be used. Another one, that is the generation of flat surfaces by a single point cutting tool, or formation of surface with a forming tool. So different, but operations you have to cut for that. You can see here. Generating of a flat surface by a single point cutting tool, that means you can see the primary motion of the workpiece and generating the surface like one if you are giving the feed rate from the downward direction. This one. Okay, so if you are providing the feed rate by the downward direction, that is secondary motion. Primary motion, what means the workpiece. Secondary motion, that means the tool. Okay, so tool just giving the downward direction and generating the new surface finishing and the remove the material from that. These are the new generating surface. These are the flat surface we are using for generating for the single point cutting tool, and the having no if we were checking the more microstructure level, then the no feed rate will be produced. No will damage the surface easily to conduct the smoothing surface. These all are the factors which have been considered for the machine. Forming of surface or with the forming of tool, with respect to this we have to just put for the removal of material at a different method. That is, we can say forming of surface with the forming tool. Forming of surface with the forming of tool, it indicates that the forming of surface with respectively a tool will be generated by merging of cutting tool, by having the proper amount of metal we're producing for the SAM, and having the quality we are required. The forming of surface, or by giving the feed rate, you have to apply the type of material which we are providing this type of technique. Another one, this is the type of a multi-cutter, multi-point cutting tool geometry of plane surfaces. So these are some object we can apply the feed rate from the direction, feed of the and RPM of the face milling, vertical milling produced. We can say that with the multi-point tool geometry plane surfaces are generated, and however in this situation it is generally combination of forming or generating the get a variety of complex surfaces which of the otherwise we can say impossible or to get changed through the single point cutting tool instead of the multi-point cutting tool used for this. Accuracy and finishable, we can say it is necessary to select a given machine tool or a machining operation for a job such that it is the lowest cost operation. And these are various operations possible for a given type of a surface. And each one has its own characteristic in terms of accuracy, surface finish, and cost. At the time of processes planning, the section is made, and the optimal accuracy for the various type of the machine tool is shown in the following figure. That figure, following table is to be used for the machining operation. You can see this table. These are the machine operations that is another important. For turning operation, we have the 1.25 micro. starting, planning, and milling, having the different types of plus, minus, it is a positive, negative, in between the 5 micron, 2.5 micron location basis. So this all are generating with the help of the different machining operation, having this are the accuracy level for that. Another one is roughness measure, that is the roughness on the micron for the particular operation. You can measure in this section. I hope you understand there are different type of operation that has a film cutting or sewing operation having the 25 to 5 micron. The minimum micron, that is uh, buffing. Buffing process have a minimum micron, and you can increasing by the bottom to top. You can find out this. There are some arithmetic progression by the sequencing with the each atomic dividing speed in the first term, obtained from the private by the adding a continuous common difference. Arithmetic progression at by we can say that all the terms related with the maximum and minimum or of speed, the n minus by the number of speed. When you can put the value, you can find out the common difference between them. So these are some sections we have to identify. Geometric progression we use for the formula, applying for the speed, for the speed ratio. That's the all the type of problem we are indicated by this problem. At the end of this, I am asking some multiple choice question regarding this machine tool. That general purpose machine are used. Options are A for high production rate, B normal workshop and repair shop, C for large production volume, and D for automated production. The options are that is B. We can set a normal workshop and repair shop. Generally purpose machine tool are used. Second is generating a surface compared to form is options are A. Require less power. The options are C, that is the more accurate answer. What is the forming a surface by a machine tool is done by options are A. Controlling the motion of the cutting tool to generate the profile. B. Transferring the shape of the cutting tool directly to the workspaces. C. Controlling the motion of the cutting tool and workpiece to generating the profile. And D. Controlling the motion of the generating purpose cutting tool to generating the profile. So that answer, that is B, we have to use for that forming process. For the production machine tools are options are A. Used for the small batch for manufacture. B. Normal machine tool fitted with jigs or fixtures. C. Used for the large production volume. D. For one of production of complex geometry, that is answer is B. Fifth, rib are provided in machine tool structure to increase the weight of the structure, increase the rigidity of the structure, improve the appearance of the structure, and store the chip during the machine operations. The option that is B, the correct answer for this, increasing the rigidity of the structure. Sixth is the recirculation ball screw are used because options are A. They are in friction. B. Power required for driving them in small due to small friction. The friction resistance is more compared to acme them, and the variable friction present due to the recirculating balls. So the options are that is B, that is the power required for driving them in a small amount due to the small friction. Seventh is we can say steel structure with welding is preferred to cast iron for the machine tool structure because they are options are absorb impact load, B reducing noise, C are heavier, and D repair of welding structure is easy. So the options are that is a D. So we can suggest steel structure with welding is preferred to cast iron for the machine tool structure because they repair of welding structure is easy. 8, that is the following processes provide best surface finish. Options are A. Hand grinding, B. Cylindrical grinding, C. Cylindrical turning, and D. Milling. So the options are that is B. Cylindrical grinding. So we can say that is the cylindrical grinding is the proper process providing the best surface finishing for that. Ninth question, that is flat surface can be produced on a machine tool. That is, the options are A, using a single point tool moving along the axis of rotation of workpiece. B, using a single point tool moving perpendicular to the axis of rotation of workpiece. C, using a single point moving to an axis to the angle of the rotation of workpiece. And D, using a single point cutting tool moving along the axis of the rotation of the workpiece. So right answer, that is B. Last, it is a 10th question. That is the V sliding way is preferred in bed because the options are A, is easy to manufacture. B, adjust clearance under the weight of the moving member. C, is a simple design, and D, no specific advantage. The correct answer, that is B, is used for the right answer. Now at the end, I'm just preparing. I recommend some books for the machine tool series that you can prefer by this. I hope this video, and if you doubt anything, you will be dropped on my email ID amit.tivarit@mycom. Also contact me on my mobile number 690319248. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for listening patiently. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.